Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to start our first Facebook ad. So now, if you remember in the last two videos, we gathered enough data about our audience, right? So by now we know what kind of people we want to target and how we should target them. But the problem with that is, even though we have the right audience or we have an idea about our audience, we don't know exactly this audience is going to work with our offer, right? So it's really important to have the exact data because as I said, we don't want to spend hundreds of dollars to test if an audience works or not, right? So that's why this video, what we're going to do right now is absolutely important, because what we're going to do right now is we're going to put the data that we got from Facebook Audience Insight tool and also from the SimilarWeb. We're going to get those data that we got and put them in Facebook and tell Facebook to give us a better audience. Okay, now this process is going to take a while. I mean, it takes about 5 minutes to set up, but this is the part that you're gonna set up and wait for it maybe a day or two to get the right data, because that's the data that's gonna be your buyers. People are gonna buy your product. Okay, so let me show you what we're gonna do and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Facebook ad account. I have my the Facebook ad account that I said I'm gonna use. It's an empty account. Okay, so I have it here. So what you're gonna do when you go to your Facebook ad account is you're gonna go to Ads Manager and you're going to go to Audiences here. Okay, you click on Audiences and a page like this is going to show up. Now from this, as you have like a bunch of audience here, for this, you click on Create Audience and you click on Saved Audience. So we are going to create an audience based on what we know about this audience. So click on Saved Audience and give it a name. I'm just going to name it Golf Videos. Okay, so that's that. And let me actually bring this up. There you go. So we're going to target men, obviously. Okay, so you click on men. Age, we don't care about age, but let's say I'm gonna target 25 up, because I have a feeling no one under 25 is going to play golf, and even if they do, they're not going to be able to really pay that much money. So let's target 25 up for this specific product. Okay, so a bunch of things that we're going to add obviously is before we do that, let's put that language English. Okay, it's US, obviously that's where we want to target. Now let's add people and demographics. Now the first thing we want to do is the golf channel. Okay, now let's add more. And remember, these are things that we got from Facebook Audience Insight tool and SimilarWeb, right? These are data that we already have and we know about our audience. So people, let's target people here, target groups. So again, I'm just putting these people in here to target them, right? Let's put more. And websites, Golf Digest and Golf Magazine. Perfect. Alrighty. Now that should be it. Hold on, let's see what else we got. We're not gonna do this stuff because these are just data for us, not for Facebook. It should be fine. Alright, so next what you're gonna do is you're just gonna save this. Okay, let's just save this. Take a look here. We got 2.3 million people. Yeah, so that's the idea in there. Let's actually put this on 18. It's alright. Just one more people. There you go, 3.1 million. Okay, so men 18 to 65, English, and these interests. That should be fine. Okay, let's click on Create Audience, and you're going to have this audience in there. Perfect. So next thing you want to do after creating your audience is go to your Facebook page and start running ads based on audience. Now let me show you how you do this right now. Let's go to the Facebook. Okay, let's go to my pages. Golf Madness. And if you take a look, we already got some likes here. Remember those likes that we bought from Fiverr? They're coming in, and I got 98, 96 likes, which is really nice. You know, it kind of gives my page some credibility before we start running ads. So this part is really simple. If you remember, we posted 3 videos. You know, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run ads for these videos to the audience that we just created in audience section. Okay, so click on Boost Post. Okay, now next thing you want to do is you want to choose the audience. Let's find my audience here. For some reason it's not showing my audience. Just waiting for this to work. Okay, so let's put the budget for $5. Obviously that's what we're gonna do, and let's run it for 2 days. And I'm not sure why I'm not seeing my audience here. There's something up with this, but it's alright, it's alright. We can just add the audience from here too, guys. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing the audience, so again I'm gonna do the same thing that I did. I'm just gonna add the audience here so we can use it. So let's click on create new audience, and let's click on men, US golf video, and let's put our interests here. That would be Golf Channel. There's more Golf Channel. TV show. There you go. So that's that. Let's add more. Company. Again, I'm just taking the data that we already have and putting it in here. Had to do this. There you go. Alright, so let's click on save. This should work this time. Alright, so we have the right audience here, so let's click on boost. And remember, all you need is $5. Don't do more than $5 because we just need to get enough data for this $5. Okay, so just do $5 with the audience that you created it, and click on boost. And there you go. That should be on its way. So same thing goes for these 2 videos. So let's just do the same thing again. Golf video, $5. Let's run it for 2 days. Yeah. And boost. And let's do the same thing here. $5, 2 days, boost. Perfect. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Now with this, let me explain why we do this. Okay, so we're doing this so we show our video to people that we think are going to be interested in our offer, right? The audience research that we did in last videos. So we have the audience. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show them a video and see how they react to that video. And if they react right, we're gonna tell Facebook to gather an audience based on the reactions, you know, how much they watched that video and the other stuff. So we're gonna talk about this in more future videos. So what you're gonna do is just boost these videos based on the audience that you gathered. So we're gonna get some data, and then in next videos I'm gonna show you how you can use this data to actually promote your product to make sales. All right, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let your ads run for 2 days or a day or two, however you did them. So let them run, so we gather some data, and then we're gonna use this data in next videos. I'll see you in next video.